Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Dynamics 365 to SharePoint for quotes, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Microsoft Dynamics 365 to SharePoint for managing quotes, follow these steps. Start by logging into your Microsoft Dynamics 365 account. Navigate to the Settings section in the main menu. Select the Administration option from the Settings menu. In the Administration section, look for the System Settings option. Click on System Settings to open the Configuration settings. Navigate to the Document Management tab in the System Settings window. In the Document Management section, find the option for Enable Document Management. Set this option to Yes to enable integration. Next, click on the Configure SharePoint Online button. A new window will pop up prompting you to enter your SharePoint site URL. Enter the URL of your SharePoint site where you want to store quotes. Make sure to follow the correct format for the URL, starting with https://. After entering the URL, the system will perform a validation check to confirm the site is accessible. If the validation is successful, proceed by clicking Next again. You will then be asked to provide credentials for accessing SharePoint. Enter the necessary credentials and click Next. Once authenticated, the system will prompt you to select the entity you want to connect. After selecting the entity, click on Next to continue. You will now have the option to specify the folder structure for storing quotes in SharePoint. Define how you want to organize your quote documents within SharePoint. Once satisfied with your folder structure, click Next. Review your configuration settings to ensure everything is correct. If all details are accurate, click Finish to complete the setup. Your Microsoft Dynamics 365 is now connected to SharePoint for quotes. To test the integration, create a new quote in Dynamics 365. Now navigate to the Document Management section of the quote. Check if you can attach documents directly to your quote from SharePoint. Ensure that you can also access and manage those documents from within Dynamics 365. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Microsoft Dynamics 365 to SharePoint for quotes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.